Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Glammegal. Today's video is going to be on this party makeup look. It's like an halo smoky eye, I've used a green color for this. I hope you all enjoy this green smoky eye, and let's first begin with the eye makeup. I'm using this violet Voss palette, and I'm taking this very light peachy color on a very fluffy blending brush. So this color doesn't really show up too much, but it helps me to blend in the crease color a little bit more. So on the Vichy blending brush, I'm just going to place the crease color from the same palette. And now with a clean brush, I'm just going to blend the edges of the crease color that I just used. So I'm not going to blend the entire crease, but just the upper part of the crease, like basically into the transition shade. I'm just going to blend it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this earbud in micellar water, and I'm just going to clean up the lid area. Once that is done, I'm going to apply some concealer, and I'm going to basically cut the crease all the way. And once the crease is cut, I'm just going to flatten out the concealer, make sure it is patted down. And then I'm taking a flat shader brush, and with a makeup setting spray, I'm just going to wet it because I'm using a metallic green shade as like a halo smoky eye, as I mentioned. So I'm just going to place that color on the inner and outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to pick up this KIKO Milano eyeshadow palette, cult eyeshadow palette in 02. And I'm going to take a silverish shade from, it's not a silverish shade, sorry, it's like a champagne shade. I'm going to place that in the middle of the halo, and then I'm going to take this glittery black shade and just going to darken up the green eyeshadow that I had earlier applied. And we will move on to the face and come back to the eyes later on. So I'm just using this Wet n Wild primer. This is one of my favorite primers. This is a dewy primer, so whenever I want a dewy look, I use this primer. And I'm taking a very thin layer of the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this is an NYX highlight brush, but I'm using that to kind of just blend my foundation. I'm just going to do a little bit of color correcting for my dark circles, and I'm using this KIKO Milano full coverage concealer. I really love this concealer a lot. It's like I just prefer liquid concealers, but this one is equally nice. So yeah. And once the concealing is done, since you can see the concealer was a little bit darker, so for the cream highlighting, I'm taking a Wet n Wild concealer. This is the Photo Focus concealer in light medium, and I'm just going to pat it down using the Vichy blender. They have some very nice sale going on. I'm going to link it below. Do check the Vichy sales. The products are amazing. And I'm just going to blend everything out, and then I'm just going to set my face using the loose powder from Maybelline. This is again in the shade light medium, and I'm just going to not overdo with my powder, just on the under eye area I'm applying it. And then I'm just using bronzer. This one is MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, one of my favorites again. And I just love the finish this bronzer gives on the face. It never gives like a muddy look, even if you tend to go overboard with it. And now I'm just taking this tapered brush and just flicking away any excess powder under the eyes. And using this brush, I'm just going to kind of contour my nose as well. And once that is done, we will move on to blush. This one is Glamgals Baked Blush, and I'm just going to apply that using the Vichy powder brush. And once that is done, we'll move on to the highlighting. I'm using this I Love You So Mochi palette, and I'm just using like a silverish golden mix kind of a shade to highlight. This highlighter is so beautiful. I'm just taking this dark green metallic shade on the lower lash line. You can just use a black eyeshadow also. You don't have to be so adventurous with the eye makeup, but I wanted more of a green smoky eye, so just wanted to smoke out the lower lash line a little bit more. And I'm just using like a dark eyeshadow to blend it out further. And I'm just using this yellow gold green kind of a shade for the inner corner of the eye. And we're moving on to the lips. I'm going to line my lips using this Wet n Wild lip liner. And for my lips, I'm using this I Love Sarahi and Colourpop collection liquid lipstick. The names and everything I'm going to list down below. And the gloss is also from the same collection. And I'm just quickly going to run a black liner on my lower lash line and blend it out. And after the lashes, this is the final look. The lashes are from Weishi. And yeah, this is the final look, you guys. It's a nice party makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.